Hazrat Ali said to Imam Hassan as आरिज अलैहि अखबार माज़ीना व ज़क्किरहु बिमा अस्वाबा मन काना क़ब्ला का मिनल अव्वलीन. Meditate on the conditions and news of people who passed away. फंजुर फीमा फ़अलु व अम्मन तक़लु व ऐना हलु व नज़लु. And look what they did, where they moved from, where they went, and where they stayed. According to Surah Mulk, ayat number 2. Allazi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amala. He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is the best indeed. According to Surah Al-Fajr, ayat number 24. Yaqulu ya laytani qaddamtu li hayati. They will cry, I wish I had sent forth something good for my true life. The graying of your hair is enough to herald death. When the time of death comes, the atmosphere becomes narrow. Imam Zainul Abidin said, Ajaban kullal ajabi liman amila di daril fanai wa taraka daral baqa. It is surprising to the person who works for this temporary world but forgets the world hereafter. Ad-dunya sinatun wal akhiratu yakzatun. The world is like sleep and the hereafter is like awakening. When Imam Zainul Abidin listened the death news of any person, he prayed as वमसिबिल मौता बैना ऐदीना नासबा वला ताजल जिक्रना लहू गिब्बा. Let death be our motto and let us not be without its memory even on a single day. Naumullazi yatikum fi kulli laylatin. Death is like sleep which comes to you every night. Illa annahu tawilu muddatihi la yantaghizu minhu illa yawmal qiyamah. But its period is so long that the deceased will not wake up before the day of judgment. A man asked Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he is afraid of death. Holy Prophet said to him, Indaka malun akaddamtahu amamaka. Have you sent your wealth for hereafter? He replied, No. On hearing this, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, Lihazihi la tuhibbul maut. This is the reason to fear death.